Tired of paying for an N8n hosting and just want to automate your life without breaking the bank? This video will guide you through the best free options for hosting your own N8n instance, so you can unleash the power of automation without spending a dime. First, let's explore Railway, a cloud platform offering free credits for new users. Head over to Railway app, create a free account, and you'll get access to enough resources to run a simple N8n instance. Look for the Deploy to Railway button on the N8n documentation or community resources. This will automatically set up N8n within your Railway account. Configure environment variables like database details when prompted. Next, consider Pipedream, another excellent serverless platform with a generous free tier. Pipedream excels at event-driven workflows and seamlessly integrates with N8n. To integrate, you can trigger your N8n workflows from Pipedream using HTTP requests or leverage Pipedream's pre-built components for data transformation. Finally, for the more technically inclined, you can host N8n locally on your computer using Docker. This method is completely free but requires some technical knowledge. Install Docker Desktop, then use the Docker command line to pull the N8n image and run it. You'll need to configure port forwarding and persistent storage for your workflows. So, whether it's Railway, Pipedream, or Docker, you now have the knowledge to host your N8n instance without paying a single penny. Now get out there and automate.